In this video, I will show you how to create three different tasks to blink LED number 1 at 500 milliseconds, LED number 2 at 1 second, and LED number 3 at 2-second delay. All these all these three tasks execute parallelly. Okay, by using STM32 blue pill microcontroller, we are going to achieve this. Okay, uh, for now I will create the new project. Okay, using this cube IDE. Okay, let's search the microcontroller, that is STM32 F103 C8 T6. Okay, demo tasks. Click on finish. In this project, I will be using STM cube IDE's FreeRTOS. Okay, in the middleware section, we have this FreeRTOS. I'm going to enable this. Before that, I'm in system core. Enable this serialware so that you can upload using ST-Link v2 programmer. Okay, and in RCC, enable this crystal ceramic resonator because this controller has 8 megahertz external crystal. Okay, and in NVIC, don't change anything. Okay, now I will enable this PC13 pin as a GPIO output because this blue pill module has one LED on this pin, and I will be enabling PB15 as GPIO output, PB14 as GPIO output. Okay, in this project I am using these three GPIO pins. I am configuring this as an output so that I can blink LEDs at different time interval. Okay, now in middleware section, I'm going to this FreeRTOS. I will enable this with KIMSys version 1. Okay, and now I will create multiple tasks. For that, select this tasks and queues tab. Okay, click on add my task 2. I'm using this default name and I'm creating multiple tasks. Okay, now we have around three different tasks. One is default, task 2, task 3. Let me add one more task. Okay, now we have around four different tasks. Okay, now I will save and I will generate the code. Okay, now this cube ID has successfully generated code for us. Okay, these are the four different tasks. Okay, these are the functions: default task, start task 02, 03, and 04. Inside this infinite loop, we need to write uh, this LED blinking tasks. Okay, now inside this start task 02, I am removing this OS delay. Now I will create. Now I will use this by using this all GPIO toggle. control space. Okay. In PC13 of this blue pill, there is one LED. I will be using this pin PC13. Okay. And we need to use this vTaskDelay, not all task delay. vTaskDelay. Now control space. Okay. Let it blink at half seconds. Okay. I'm copying this one and insert this infinite function. Another LED is connected at port B14. Okay. I will blink this LED at 1 second. Okay. And for the third LED, I will be writing inside this task 4, that is port B15. Okay. Now I will save this. Okay. And then I will build the code. Zero errors and zero warnings. Okay. Now I need to upload the code. Before that, debug configuration. I will connect the boards first. Okay, I have connected the STM32 board. Go to this debugger section. Under this debug probe, select ST-Link Open OCD, and in Show Generator option and in Mode Setup, select Software System Reset. Click on Apply and OK. Okay, now it will automatically upload code onto your board. Okay, shutdown command invoked. Info drop GDB connection. Okay, now I will reset this board. Okay, now I am removing this STV link and again I am connecting to the USB. Okay, now all these LEDs are blinking. Okay, thank you.